Guys, welcome to my channel The Happiness Monger. So today is a very special day, which is the Independence Day, and today I thought to talk to you something very important which need to be addressed, which is Northeast. Before starting the video, I would like to ask you a question. Are you aware of Northeast? Or do you know such place exists or not? You might be thinking, why am I asking this question? It is not because I am from Northeast. I think this is a very critical position that Northeast is suffering, that the recognition of Northeastern states. I feel people should know about Northeast, and that's the reason I am doing this video. I have been living here in Mumbai for past 1.5 years. And whenever people ask me like where I am from, I definitely tell them I am from Guwahati, Assam. And you won't believe the reaction that I get from these people is like, what? Where is it? I don't know. Is it in India? Is it outside India? I feel so bad when they talk all those things, even though I don't look like Northeastern people, but still I am from Northeast. I am a Bengali, I am a typical Bengali, but still I am born and brought up in Northeast, in Assam, and I feel that it's my responsibility to talk about it. And as I am a YouTuber right now, I feel the need to promote Northeast here and there and everywhere. You won't believe me, every time I meet a new person, I definitely tell them where I'm from, my name, so that I tell them this is Northeast, this is where I belong to, and that's all. And I think everyone should do that, right? I really want to know the reason that why you don't know Northeast. Yeah, you might be thinking that Northeastern people might look very different. They have small eyes and they speak different languages and dialects, which is very different from a normal language you might be. But they are Indians, guys. They are Indians. Please accept them as an Indian. I really want to go through the books, geography books that I studied. Like I want to go through geography books studied by rest of India, so that I want to know how their map look like. Because मैं जब क्लास 8 में थी, मुझे जो इंडियन मैप दिया जाता था, it was a typical Indian map which has both north, south, west, east and northeast as well. I don't know, like my question is, being a Northeast, if I know where is Bangalore, I know where is Punjab, I know where is Delhi, why don't you know where is Northeast? One fine day, I met a guy at the city, so he approached me and he started talking to me, and he asked me what's my name and where I'm from, and I told him that my name is Shreya and I'm from Assam, Guwahati, and he was like, what? I really asked the question that are you Indian? Like, are you Indian? And I'm like, yes, I'm from Bangalore. Why I'm not an Indian? He's like, yes, of course, we are also Indian. We are from Northeast. Where is Northeast? I haven't seen Northeast. Like, of course, how will you see that? My question is like, why you don't know that? I hope you're aware of the tea that you drink every day comes from Northeast. I'm sure that you have heard of Angurak Mohanto, Zubin Garg, who is a famous singer and who made their mark in Bollywood, and also Bhupen Hazarika, who was a famous singer. And if you are a fan of football, I hope you know Sunil Chhetri by Beauty.i. And let's not forget, Priyanka Chopra is the brand ambassador of Northeast. I hope you should know that. I have no clue when people say that, where is this Northeast? How is this place and all. So I feel very sad when they tell that. My suggestion to you guys is to please go through the map once, try to locate where is Northeast, try to locate where you are, and try to accept Northeast as Indian states and a part of India. And I would also like to tell you, please go and explore Northeast because it's an amazing place to be with family, friends, because it's an amazing location, okay? And I last but not the least, I would like to thank Mumbaikar Nikhil and Tanya Khanijo, who recently visited to Northeastern states and vlogged about it. So I would like to thank them because of their blog. You know, people are getting to know more about these places. Thank you so much for doing that. But before going, I would like to show you the interviews that I have taken from various people. So yeah, just look at it and tell what you feel, okay? So yeah. Hello. So do you know about Northeast? Like, did you know about Northeast earlier?
Previously, honestly speaking, I did not know where Northeast is and what Northeast is and which states it consists of. I had no clue about that. After getting into degree college, being Northeast, being exposed by so much, and then you, Miss Shreya Bhanik, being my friend, and then exposing me to through happiness monger and all of that. Then I came to know what Northeast exactly is. And then half of our syllabus covers Northeast states as well, like the political science. So that was the time when I came to know about Northeast. Otherwise, I had no clue what Northeast was.
What was the reason that you were not exposed to such information?
More probably, I had no school friends along. And then once I got into a degree college, that was the time when, I kind of got through the Northeast people. So that's the reason maybe I think I did not know about Northeast much.
So आप पहले नॉर्थ-ईस्ट के बारे में कुछ जानते थे क्या ऐसा स्टेट एग्जिस्ट करता है क्या नहीं? नहीं जानते थे? नहीं। तो क्यों नहीं पता था आपको?
क्या कुछ मालूम भी नहीं था ना वो हम लोग ऐसा अभी, इसलिए कोई बोलने वाला भी नहीं, दोस्त लोग भी कोई नहीं था, इसलिए हम लोग को समझ में नहीं आया.
ठीक है, थैंक यू.
Okay.
So where are you from?
Meghalaya.
So how did you feel like when people doesn't know about Northeast?
Like they're actually making foreigners out of their own countrymen at first.
Okay.
Like I feel if Northeast could have been put up in their education, like central education, ICSE president, people would have known about Northeast more.
Yeah.
And like daily we face racism or sexist jokes everywhere during college or wherever we walk. Like for restaurants, they will be teasing us, the girls especially. So like first of all, I think education is important, and more tourist departments could actually expose the Northeast Indian states, so it will be better.
So like what is the specialty of Northeast?
Like everything. The food, the culture. India is already a diverse country, and if we take just the 8 states, the northeastern states, they're still full of so many tribes, so many languages. Like there are already like 222 languages and more than that, and so many tribes. So I think these could be expanded on a national level first. Then maybe people can talk more about it.
Thank you. So did you know about Northeast earlier?
Of course, I'm an Indian and the Northeast are the golden jewels of India. Who will not know about the Northeast?
And how did you get to know about Northeast?
When I studied geography and I saw those splendid mountains and I saw the tea estates and I met many friends from Manipur and Meghalaya, I fell in love with all those 7 sisters. And my dream is to go on a big tour to the Northeast.
Thank you. And also recently I have been to Meghalaya. So please go and check my vlog. The link will be in the description. And also follow me on Instagram handle. The link will be on the description. So please go and follow me. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, Northeastern friends, non-Northeastern friends, and everyone in the world. And also make sure you subscribe to my channel, which is very important. Please do that. And that's all. So yeah, bye and happy Independence Day.